Okay, so AI stuff. And this is it's released, but it's only in the query use bedrock feature flag. But it's AI now should do uh, calcs. Let's see what happens. Let's see, show commits by what's month, what am I running total? It does think, it will think, it thinks. Think some more. Silence and AI demos is the best. Okay, so now I'll also take feedback from the UX people. I don't know if you saw that. There's got an interesting loading state where I just like put a parenthetical down here, like I'm generating you some calcs, but the table pops up. That needs some love, so someone should think about that. Like what the loading state stays here. It only lasts about 2 or 3 seconds, so it's hard to see. But there you go. This worked 10 minutes ago. Let's just see if the demo gods are with
Does that mean you started running it 10 minutes ago?
me. Yeah, I guess Eng was, oh no, there. Well, that's interesting. It picked a weird thing for Eng last time. It picked the actual right edge. And it didn't, no, it fell on its face. It didn't put the moving average. It did over here, you know. Uh that's the voodoo of these things. But I mean I can try to tell it like I'm not gonna bother this. The thing that um the other thing I want to demo, so this is shipped behind the feature flag. Uh, actually here, I'll just let it go. We'll see if that worked when we come back. The other thing I want to demo is this is not released. This I'm more playing around with, but AI stuff. Um, trying to, you notice how long that one was taking, trying to have part of the question categorization guess how hard a question is and choose an appropriate level that of model, how hard it should think about it. So like if I ask it something simple, it gives, so now it's, you'll see that's its indication that it did the simple one. And it was pretty quick because it was an easy question. Uh, if I ask it now to filter something in a way that's harder, so only users who joined in fourth quarter 2017 or 2018, but not those that joined on the weekends. Now it gives a slightly different message that indicates that it's going to take a longer amount of time to think about this. And I'm hoping that it doesn't quite get that right because this is a nasty question, especially nasty in the way that we tell it about the filter structure. So that I can show the one last thing. Yeah, I don't think that's quite, yeah. Legitimately. So now it's saying now this is the indicator that it's going to take extra hard. And basically what it's doing, so this one is haiku, the simple one. This one is 3.7 sonnet without extended thinking, so no reasoning model. And this one is 3.7 sonnet with extended thinking. So it is sitting there, doing the thing where it's talking to itself in the background. Let's see. Did it actually get it? I doubt it, because this is really, I think I like the way we tell it. Our filters are structured. I'm not sure this is possible for it to answer. No, I actually think no, it did get it.
Nailed
Awesome.
it.
It can't, the filters can't even display what it got. But yes, it's saying not Saturday, not Sunday, and between those 2 dates. So go reasoning models. They're smart. All right, that's it.
And Steven, is it possible, like particularly in that extended thinking mode, is it possible to actually show any of the back and forth?
So it would be nice to be like to show it while it was there might have an API to stream it. It definitely will give you the whole thing at the end. But it's
Okay.
so we probably want to drop that in the debug context for like the debug AI feature. I don't think we want to show it to the user.
Yeah, my observation from my own AI use in the coding tools is that it feels a lot faster if you show a lot of activity. Yeah, that does a lot to make up for the speed.
Yeah, I mean, I think we'd have a better. There might be a streaming API. I feel like we'd almost have a better shot at just like asking the mini models, like, what do you think the smart model's doing, and just like show them that. Like, I think it's probably thinking about these kinds of things.
All right, I'm jumping in.
5 second jumping back in. I forgot about the tab that I left there. It worked. So when I asked it to fix its calc, it did in fact then put in the right reviewer and add the 4-week moving average. So, sometimes you gotta ask. That's it. Sorry for the interruption, and Colin for the splicing.
Right, the splicing.